Hello dear students, how are you all? These days we are studying a roadside stand, your poem 5 Flamingo class 12 written by Robert Frost, and working on this poem we have already enjoyed a video on explanation, figures of speech and those 2 marks and 5 marks important questions, and today in this video I am here with multiple choice questions. Before going further, I would like to say you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification of all my future videos as and when I release them. Also, you can join our WhatsApp group by sending us your name, class, roll number and school name on our WhatsApp number 9466707359. You can go to our website mynewclassroom.in. चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वही देख लेते हैं जो हर बार होता है. हु इज़ द पोइट ऑफ अ रोड साइड स्टैंड? इज इट सैमुअल टेलर कॉलरिज, रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, रॉबर्ट बायरन या Percy Shelley? No, it is B. Robert Frost. Who is Robert Frost? An American 20th century poet. ठीक है, स्टोरी टेलर नॉट, ऐसे नॉट, नरेटर नॉट. तो D the right answer. What does Frost's poem deal with? Human tragedies, fears and their solutions. Humans, nature, building? No, A is the right answer. What does Frost present in the poem A Roadside Stand? Lives of the poor deprived people with understanding and in a sympathetic way. The lives of people who stand on bus stand? Aur nahi baba. Lives of travelers? No, none. No, A is the right answer. What does Frost describe in the poem? The feeling of the owners of a roadside stand. Yes, A is the right answer. What is roadside stand in the poem? A shed outside a roadside, not a bus stop, not a waiting point, not none. ठीक है, इन्हीं क्वेश्चन को दूसरे में घुमा के पूछ ले कंफ्यूज करने के लिए. तो आप लिखिए, what did the owner of the old house built at the edge of the road? तो क्या बनाया उसने? A temporary shed, a hut, shop, room. C is the right answer. Why was roadside stand built? क्यों बनाया गया? So that people can wait there, to make it a bus stop, to earn money from poly-city traffic या none? C is the right answer. कि थोड़ा सा हमें भी जो है मिल जाए शेयर वहाँ का. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर देखिए 9th में इन्हीं को दूसरे शब्दों में अगर कहीं, व्हाट डज द स्टॉल ओनर एक्सपेक्ट? पीपल वुड स्टॉप एंड बाई थिंग्स. यही तो चाह रहा है वो. बिग प्राइस नहीं चाह रहा, लॉट ऑफ मनी नहीं चाह रहा, प्रेज नहीं चाह रहा. ए इज द राइट आंसर. व्हाट डू द फ्लावर्स ऑफ द सिटी इन ए रोड साइड स्टैंड रेफर टू सिटी पीपल? नो. City cars, urban crowd? No. The pleasures of cities, flowers of cities. Yes. What is being sold on roadside stand? क्या बेचा जा रहा है? वाइल्ड बेरीज, गोल्डन स्क्वाश एंड सम अदर सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स, वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट. राइट. व्हाट इज द चाइल्डिश लॉन्गिंग दैट द पोइट रेफर्स टू? तो होप ऑफ गेटिंग सम फाइनेंशियल हेल्प फ्रॉम द पॉलिश सिटी ट्रैफिक. ये जो है चाइल्डिश लॉन्गिंग लगती है उसको. डी द राइट आंसर. वाई वॉज द चाइल्डिश लॉन्गिंग इन वेन? बिकॉज देयर विश ऑफ अर्निंग फ्रॉम सिटी फॉक कुड नॉट बी रियलाइज्ड और फुलफिल्ड, सो दीज वर vain. Which words in the poem show that the poet was feeling hurt over the poor plight of rural folk? Sometimes I feel I can hardly bear. नहीं, I cannot help owning the great relief it would be to put these people at one stroke out of their pain. ये लगता है उसको. Yes, ठीक है. तो 15th में देखिए, Who are the greedy doers? Greedy doer कौन है? The polished city folk are the greedy doers. ठीक है, ऑक्सीमोरन यूज किया था उन्होंने, greedy good doers यूज करके. Why are the city people called greedy? Because of their appearance, because they did not stop at the stand, because of their behavior, or because of their selfish interests? Yes, D is the right answer. What is the special quality of the city people or folk? Know how to get benefits in a calculative manner. ये वो जानते हैं, स्पेशल क्वालिटी है उन लोगों की. Yes. What are beast of prey in the poem? कौन है वे लोग? गवर्नमेंट अफसर, रूरल फॉक, ऑल दीज या सिटी फॉक? सिटी फॉक. यस, उसी की बात करता है वो, उनके कैलिस एटीट्यूड की बात करता है. Why are the city people called beasts of prey? Because of their selfishness and tendency to dupe others for it. Yes, A is the right answer. 20th में देखिए, how do city people harm the poor rural folk? By misguiding and depriving them of their sleep? Yes, A is the right answer. What news in the poem A Roadside Stand is making rounds in the village? City people are conniving villagers will be given homes and near theater and shopping malls? Yes, B is the right answer. ये पढ़ा था हमने explanation के वीडियो में. What is the government attitude to the needs of the poor people? No, they are indifferent. They are indifferent. Yes, D is the right answer. Joyful नहीं, angry नहीं. What promise was the government making to relocate the villages? That their all needs will be looked after. वादा है, promises. ठीक है, तो ये थी मूविंग पिक्चर्स प्रॉमिस, और जो ये पॉलिटिकल पीपल के प्रॉमिस की बात हुई थी आपने देखा. व्हाई डिड नॉट द पुलिस ट्रैफिक स्टॉप एट द रोड साइड स्टैंड? दे डिड नॉट लाइक दैट प्लेस. देयर फोकस वाज देयर इंटरेस्ट ऑफ अर्निंग ह्यूज बेनिफिट्स. दे वर ग्रीडी. ऑल दीज. व्हाट डज पुलिस ट्रैफिक रेफर टू? व्हाट डज पुलिस ट्रैफिक रेफर टू? सिटी पीपल, स्मार्टनेस ऑफ सिटी पीपल, insensitive attitude of city people and their gentle appearance? Yes, C is the right answer. How do the rich people feel when they see the shed? कैसे फील करते हैं वो? Irritated, not happy, sad, angry. Rather they get irritated कि मेरा तो लैंडस्केप खराब कर दिया, हम निकले थे. And what do the rich people think about the shed? It is an ugly spot, beautiful, bad. It should be there. नहीं, D the right answer. Who will soothe the rural poor? Government and social agencies, government officials, promises made by the government, या city people will soothe out of their wits. D the right answer. What does out of their wits mean in the poem? By fooling and exploiting the poor people. मत्ती भ्रष्ट कर दो उनकी, सब्ज बाग दिखा के, सपने दिखा के, to their own benefit. ठीक है. What does support the flow of cities? Flow of money, right? This is the right answer. What is the importance of cash flow for city people? It runs their lives, so it is their lifeline. Cash flow. तो how did a stopping car react? तो वो कहता है कि to point out at the wrongly marked N and S directions. Which word in the poem means fading? Fading means withering. What is the D the right answer? What is the poet's call to the police traffic passing ahead? तो वो कहता है he condemns this indifferent attitude of the city folk and feels the pain of the rural folk. C is the right answer. Who do selfish cars refer to? Social agencies, government official, city people, या car owners who do not stop on the stand? Selfish cars. Transport epithet. Why is the word pathetic used for roadside stand? For city people's attitude, for government declaration, for city people's behavior, for poor condition of the owner of the stand? Yes, D is the right answer. Who made roadside stand and where? The sarpanch, the government, social agencies, या poor rural people made it in the village? Yes. Who wanted to feel the money at the hand and from whom? The rural folk from government, the rural folk from social agencies, the rural folk from government officials, rural folk from city people? Yes, D is the right answer. 39th में देखिए, what was the news? The news was that they are going to relocate and resettlement of the rural folk to make them tension free by the government. Yes. 40th में देखिए, who are the pitiful kin in the poem? The poor rural folk and farmers are the pitiful kin. एक जनरेशन के बाद दूसरी जनरेशन के बाद तीसरी, वहीं की वहीं रह गए हैं, वो निकल ही नहीं पा रहे हैं इस विशियस सर्कल से. 41 में देखिए, व्हाट डज आई स्टैंड फॉर इन द पोम? ओनर ऑफ द स्टैंड, सिटी फ्लावर, या पोइट ऑफ द पोम रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट? यस, सी इज द राइट आंसर. आई जो है यहाँ पर रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट हैं. व्हाट डज द स्पीकर और नरेटर कॉल द थॉट ऑफ द ओनर ऑफ द स्टैंड? अ चाइल्ड लाइक लॉन्गिंग, ए चाइल्ड इज लॉन्गिंग इन वेन? यस, डी इज द राइट आंसर. And last but not the least one, what is the open prayer from near the open window? क्या prayer है? For the sound of coming cars to stop at the roadside stand to help the owner to earn money from them. कि कोई तो ब्रेक मारे, कोई तो रुके. Yes, squeal. ठीक है. So children, these were 43 multiple choice questions. These are all important. Any question can be asked by examiner from this poem, so it should be enough. And if you still feel anything to ask, feel free to by going to comment section. I will definitely going to reply you and satisfy you with your queries. Thank you for wonderful session. It was with you all wonderful people. God bless you all.